it's Hannah here, and today I will be giving you guys a little insight on how I edit my videos for Instagram, well, those makeup videos for Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, then you're in the right place. So let's get started. Show you a quick little walkthrough on how I edit my videos. So I use two programs, and that is iMovie and Adobe Premiere. So I use iMovie specifically for splitting and just combining videos together. I could do that on Premiere Pro, but it's a little more time consuming on there. It is just so much easier on iMovie. And yes, I do film everything on my Canon DSLR, and then I just export it on to my computer. Import it onto my computer, and then I do export everything in 1080p. So once I just split the clips up and put it together how I want to, I do not add any transitions on iMovie. I'm literally just taking clips, cutting it down to the time frame that I want it to be in, and then putting it all together, and then I export it 1080p onto my desktop. Once I'm complete with that, I go on to my Premiere Pro. I open that up and I import the exported file from iMovie onto Premiere, and then I add the transitions there. Yeah, that's all. Now that I think about it. Or like if I want to adjust any of the lighting, the color, the brightness of the video, I do it on Premiere just because it's so much better, it's so much cleaner. And you can also change the frame of the video. What's really popular now is a longer frame on Instagram. I don't like that, but personally for my videos, but you can do that on Premiere. And sometimes when you see me adding little like emojis and stuff on the palettes to show you what color I'm using on the eyes, I'll also just add like a little PNG image onto Premiere, and just you can place it wherever you want on the image, which is really cool. Now I know you can use Final Cut Pro, if not Adobe Premiere. You can use Final Cut Pro to do the same exact thing. I just prefer Adobe. It's my favorite way of editing my videos. I use Photoshop, Lightroom. I love Adobe Creative Cloud, but that's how I do it, and it's really simple. I don't do much. I don't filter my videos like to soften the skin or anything. No, I'm not about that. I'm going to show you my face how it is. Music, I don't actually, it depends. Sometimes if I have the song on my computer, then I will apply it onto the video in Premiere. But if I have the song on my phone, then I'll just use like, you know, those music adding apps on your phone to apply the music on top of the makeup videos and do it that way. But that is it, you guys. I feel like that is the best way I can explain to you how I edit my makeup videos for Instagram. Honestly, you can film your Instagram makeup video on your cell phone and you can edit on there. I know so many beauty bloggers in Miami that do that, so you can definitely do that. Or even like, you don't even have to go on Premiere Pro. iMovie comes on your computer, on your Mac, so you can just use that and do it there. I think I just overcomplicate it a little bit, but yeah. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope I could help, and if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, let me know down in the comment section below, because I love to help you guys out. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know about that as well. Like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week. And I'm gonna get going now. But alright guys, bye.